Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device. Make sure battery is above 20% and you have a quick backup because you'll change network modes. Once done, navigate directly to Settings, then Connections, then Mobile Networks. You're doing this now to access the VO LTE toggle or network mode control. Make sure to note which SIM slot you're adjusting on dual SIM models. This first step exposes the actual switch, or the alternate network mode, you'll use to remove VO LTE functionality. Once in mobile networks, look for a VO LTE calls or enhanced LTE services switch and turn it off. This directly disables LTE voice. If that option isn't present, change network mode from LTE/3G/2G to a 3G/2G only setting to prevent LTE voice. For dual SIM devices, repeat per SIM slot so calls don't fall back to VO LTE on the other line. After changing, give the phone 30 to 60 seconds to re-register on the network so the change takes effect. You finish by restarting the phone and placing a test call to confirm voice runs on 3G rather than LTE. If VO LTE remains active or the toggle is missing, reset network settings to clear any provisioning conflicts. This won't erase media, but will restore Wi-Fi and mobile defaults. If problems persist, contact your carrier to revoke VO LTE provisioning or try the Diagnostic/Service menu for advanced network mode control. One tip: always document original settings before changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.